Davey, I told you he'd be back. Go again. Yeah. We arrived last night at Lowestoft Marina. Here we go guys, it's not all bad. Look at this. That's the Royal Norfolk and Suffolk Yacht Club. Ooh, very nice. South Pier. Little merry-go-round. You having a go at merry-go-round, Dad?
Not today, I'm a bit dizzy to start with.
That's normal, innit? Now you got the iconic bar that Harbour Inn as you stop on a good day, but sadly due to the pandemic everything's shut. And here we go, this is Lowestoft seafront. Yeah, I'm sure if we're going to come at another time in the future, things may be a lot better. It'd be a nice place to stop off for overnight, have a few sherries, and then carry on your way up the coast. The next plan of action, we're going to leave Lowestoft and head up to Blakeney Points, Cromer, north of Norfolk, and then that'll be our last stop off point before heading across past Skegness up to Grimsby. So, you ready for the next one, Dad? You ready for the next one?
Yeah, I'm certainly up for the challenge.
Looking forward to it. It's about 8 o'clock. The plan is next 20 minutes we're going to be underway. So, wish us well. It's going to be an interesting sail, up to about 4-6 on the weather scale. So, plenty of wind. Catch you on the next bit, guys. Dad, it's a sailboat, but he's adamant he wants that engine on. When are we sailing, Dad? When are we sailing?
I'm sailing right now, heading for them windmills, straight ahead.
No, we're struggling. There's it's a northerly wind, and we're stuck between the sandbanks. We're just coming up to Great Yarmouth, and between Great Yarmouth coastline and just about a few miles out, there's some sandbanks and a wind farm. So we're going to stick between them and keep heading north under motor for now. Once we're beyond that, hopefully we'll be able to open the sails up and come across the land. But as it stands, we're on a northerly wind, we're heading north, doing 1 mile an hour. So all is good in the hood. How you doing, Captain? How you doing, Captain? Captain, how you doing?
Doing right well, though, was a bit of wind. Doing right well.
I think it's a bit greedy with water sailing.